everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly and I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm here today with a unboxing of a box that I have done on my channel before, but it's been a while. I believe last time I did this box was in September of last year, and this box is called Thrift-a-Bag, and they reached out to me and asked me if I would like to do an unboxing, and I said, oh, but of course I would love to do an unboxing. What girl wouldn't want to unbox a purse? I would love to. I love purses. So they sent me this big old box so I can unbox this box for you. If you don't know anything about the Thrift-a-Bag, it is a gently used, I'm trying to figure out how I want to put this, pre-owned name brand handbag service. And it is $45 a month, and you get 3 pre-owned handbags and or wallets or tote or wristlet baguette. The handbag theme will range from vintage to modern pieces, and you can get brand names such as Coach, Michael Kors, Dana Buchman, Kate Spade, 9 West, Vera Bradley, DKNY, Guess, Dooney, Bourke, Liz Claiborne, Betsey Johnson, and many, many more different styles. So you can get them handpicked from like local thrift stores. They get cleaned and then they're curated for you. And like I said, you can get a purse, a wallet, wristlets, all different kinds of beautiful, beautiful handpicked items. So let's get into this box. Oh, goodness. It's such a big box. Just a big, beautiful box. There's the wonderful little tag. Let's stick it on the side of the box. Sorry about all that noise. Put the tape on that side. Okay. Oh my goodness gracious. I asked her for a specific color purse. So let's see what we have in here. It says hello from Thrift-a-Bag. Oh, I got it too. And she included a gift bag in case I decide to gift a bag. Very pretty gift bag. That is very beautiful. Beautiful spring butterflies. That is very beautiful. Oh, I love that bag. Very, very cute. Okay, let's see what we have here first. Big old bag is, we're gonna set it right over here, out of the way. All right, let's see what we have here first. My eye itches, sorry guys. My eye was itching. All right, let's see what she's wrapped us up here first. Figure out my way into this safe here. There we go. Very carefully wrapped. Here, it's in a bag, very safely tucked away. Oh, very pretty so far. Oh my goodness, very pretty. Oh, isn't this very cute? That is very cute. It's called the sack. This is the sack on it. Very, very cute. Let's open it up and see. This is cute when you want to just take just something very small. You don't have a lot to carry. There's the inside. Very clean, very nice. There's it. It says the sack on the inside. I love that. Very nice. Very nice. Just something you can put, like, I mean, I suppose you could put it up like that. You could actually put it on your shoulder. But it is very nice. You could put it right here on your elbow and carry it that way. Very nice. I do like that. The crochet detail is very nice. There are no snags. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. There are several pockets on the inside. There are several pockets on the inside in here. There's card detail. So you really wouldn't have to carry a wallet, really. You could put all your cards, the main cards that you're gonna need for the evening, right in there, and any money you could put right in the zipper pocket. Very nice. I do like that. That is a very nice little purse. Very nice. Super cute little purse. Very, very nice. Okay, so this is called, the Sack Tricolor Crochet Mini Tote. $16 pre-owned value. So that is what that is called. It has a $16 pre-owned value. Very nice. Okay, and then next we have a Coach Classic Scaro. I think that's how you say it. Scaro. S-C-A-R-O. Tweed crossbody bag. $25 pre-owned value. And that is it. There's the crossbody. There's that side. And then there's that side. There's a little hard, and it's a darker fabric, so it's harder to show you. I do not own a crossbody bag at all, so this is a nice little treat. Very nice. Nice side pocket there. It's nice. There's no zipper, so don't have to worry about zipping and unzipping. No pockets on the inside, but that's okay. I do like this. I do like this. There we go. That is very nice. I do like that as well. That is going to be very nice. I have a feeling this is going to be a very durable fabric for a purse. So that is a very nice, very, very nice material. Very sturdy, heavy material. I do like that. And there's the print on that. Very nice material. I do like that. All right. Okay. All right. We have one more, and it is, I can't wait. It is the one that I asked for. The color that I asked for. My husband is going to be like, are you crazy? It is the color that I asked for. You guys might even say, are you crazy? But I'm not crazy. I've wanted a purse this color for all my life. I think that it is the most beautiful color in the whole wide world, and I've wanted it forever. And this is a Ralph Lauren leather chantilly blush tote with cosmetic bag, and this is a $30 value, pre-owned, and here it is. There it is. And the color is blush. I just absolutely love this color. It is so pretty. And the lighting is doing it no justice whatsoever. And there's the bottom. There's absolutely no. It is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely beautiful. There's a purse on the inside. Oh my goodness. Let me get rid of the stuffing. Let me get rid of the stuffing first. I'm gonna stuff the stuffing over here. And stuff the stuff in. And stuff the stuff. Stuff the stuff in right there. Okay. It's a makeup bag. It's attached. It's attached. It's attached. It is attached over here. Okay. So there's attached. There's the makeup bag. And let's see. Yep, it does zip up. There we go. There's the little makeup bag. Isn't that just so gorgeous? Oh my goodness. That is just so gorgeous. Amazing. Amazing. Oh my goodness. I am so thrilled. This is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let me hold it up so you can see on the inside. There's the inside of it. I'm trying to, there we go. There we go. Whoops. Now that's falling, but there's the inside. There's the inside of it. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. I absolutely love this. Very, very cute. This unfortunately does not detach, but that's okay. That is absolutely okay. Absolutely okay. None of the detail is like this. None of it is cracked. Usually this type of detail cracks. It is not cracked. It is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I am shocked that she found this in this with this much detail still intact. And there is the, what is that, plate with the Ralph Lauren on it. 19, yep, it is on there. I cannot believe she found this. I don't know how she does what she does. I can't believe she found this. This is beautiful. I love this. Absolutely beautiful. What a wonderful tote. Absolutely beautiful. All three pieces are absolutely wonderful. I love all three pieces. Wonderful. I love this tote. This is the best piece out of all three of them. I love all three of them. Absolutely. Absolutely. I love the color of this. Beautiful. Thank you so much for sending me these pieces. She went above and beyond with this piece. I told her, I said, I just want one piece that is blush. I don't care. I just want one piece that is a blush color. I just love this piece. I can use this to go to the gym. I can use this to go to the grocery store. I don't know if I could use it as a purse. I probably could use it as a purse, and I could put my wallet in here and then throw the rest of my crap in the others. This is an awful big purse, but I don't care. I just love this color, and I love the other two pieces. They're absolutely wonderful. I just love it. Thank you so, so much. Wonderful pieces. So if you would like to get your own thrift-a-bag, I will leave the link down below so that you can get on over to the website and order yourself thrift-a-bag. I mean, how can you beat 3 wonderful pre-owned designer bags for $45? How can you beat that? This bag alone, this Ralph Lauren bag, ladies, come on. How could you beat that? Like, I have 3 new use purses for $45. Amazing, amazing. So if you'd like to get your own thrift-a-bag, go ahead and hit that link down below and head on over to the website and get your own box. And use the code HOLLY, HOLLY, to get $5 off your first box at the Thrift-a-Bag website. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and go ahead and share this video. Share it on your Facebook and your Instagram, and don't forget to share it in your Twitter feed. And don't forget how much I appreciate each and every one of you. I love you guys to the moon and back. And I will see you in my next video real soon. Bye now.